Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming core prerequisites: comfort with algebra, probability, and basic statistics. Once done, install Python, pip, Jupyter, and create a virtual environment so dependencies stay isolated. Make sure to pick one small, real dataset and immediately import it into a notebook. Then perform quick cleaning, handle missing values, correct types, and add a simple visualization. This first cycle teaches you tooling, file flow, and the habit of iterating on data. You now deepen skills by alternating learning and doing. Study Pandas and NumPy for manipulation, Matplotlib for plots, and scikit-learn for models. Once comfortable, design a single project that includes exploratory data analysis, feature engineering, and a baseline model to measure progress. Make sure to version control your code, add simple tests, and automate repetitive steps with a basic pipeline. This middle phase is about repeating the cycle faster, measuring results, and refining features to improve. You finish by polishing a single project end-to-end. Finalize evaluation metrics, write clear documentation, and create a concise README that explains your choices. Once complete, record a short demo or notebook walkthrough and publish code to a public repo to get feedback. If things go wrong, simplify, reduce variables, validate assumptions, and debug one step at a time while logging outputs. Make sure to ask for targeted feedback and iterate until the project clearly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.